This video is a selection of the new and updated features we're excited to share with you from the May 2023 release. The full list of features can be found in the May 2023 version 20.23.5 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. This month we're highlighting the following features. Using the Awards tool, users can add criteria to badges that are in compliance with the latest Open Badges standard. As a subscriber to end-user support, users can access the new Brightspace Virtual Assistant. In Discussions, the new Discussions creation experience now defaults to On Opt-in. Using the Learning Outcomes tool, instructors can now select the appropriate achievement scales for a course. And finally, a summary of all the other features this month. Let's take a closer look at this month's features. Instructors can now specify what a learner must do to achieve a particular award by using a new required criteria field in compliance with Open Badges 2.0 standard from OneEdTech, formerly known as IMS Global. Previously, there was no mandatory criteria field available in the Awards tool. When learners shared their awards to Badger, the same field values were used for both evidence and criteria fields. The Awards feature implements the following PI item. D6128. Awards incorporate Open Badge 2.1 standards. Thank you to Eric Floyd for putting forward this PI suggestion to implement this feature. The Awards feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. Brightspace Virtual Assistant provides a new contextual help tool that is integrated into Brightspace. With this tool, users can ask questions about Brightspace directly within their course and receive persona-specific documentation from Brightspace Community. If further assistance is needed, users can go to the community to find additional resources or contact support by either email, messaging a live agent, or by phone. A note that phone support is not available for clients that have basic end-user support entitlements. End users can receive support in all 4 EUS-supported languages, including Canadian English, Canadian French, Spanish, and Brazilian Portuguese. Note that the language is controlled by a user's locale settings in Brightspace. If a user's chosen language and locale setting is not supported, then the default language is English. As a learner or instructor, click Get Help. Select I have a different question to type in your own question and receive persona-specific documentation. Virtual Assistant connects you directly with the help you need. Brightspace Virtual Assistant is available to all clients with an end-user support EUS subscription. To enable this feature, contact your EUS manager. If you do not currently subscribe to EUS, contact your D2L account team for more information about EUS packages. To encourage user adoption of the new Discussions creation experience, the default state for the experience is now On Opt-in, with the option to opt out. Previously, the new Discussions creation experience was turned off by default. Note that administrators can avoid this change by adding appropriate organization and course level overrides to the configuration variable d2l.tools.discuss.createExperience opt-in. The Discussions feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. To learn more about the new Discussions creation experience, refer to the Introducing the New Discussion Creation Experience article in Brightspace Community. With this release, instructors can now evaluate learners' achievements related to learning outcomes by selecting the appropriate achievement scales within a course offering. Note that administrators must create achievement scales for courses at the organization level before instructors can select them. Instructors can select alternative achievement scales for a course until assessment evaluation begins. Previously, only a single achievement scale could be selected for all courses across any organization. Navigate to Course Administration and click Standards. Note that standards can also be displayed as learning outcomes depending on how your administrator has configured achievement scales. Click Edit Settings, select an alternative achievement scale, and click Save. The Learning Outcomes feature implements the following PI items. D6605, set a different achievement scale per course offering, and D9382, set a different Learning Outcomes achievement scale per program. Thank you to Joost Noordelus and Lynn Ward for putting forward these PI suggestions to implement this feature. This feature is available to all clients who use both Mastery View in Grades and Learning Outcomes. To enable, ensure that the Manage Outcomes permission is enabled for the desired user roles. Finally, let's take a quick look at the other features for this month's release. In Blog, comment on blog entries limited to reduce page load times. Create dynamic content in a carousel using Insert Element, and use layouts to organize course content, all with Creator Plus. With the Email tool, emails sent from senders external to your organization can be reported as spam. In home pages and navbars, the help link points to the new Brightspace Community. Managed content permission is no longer required in Learning Outcomes. And finally, with Learning Outcomes, the Mastery View table loads faster and includes the activity counter. We hope you enjoyed this month's release highlights. As before, you can get the full details of this month's changes in the May 2023 version 20.23.5 release notes on Brightspace Community. See you next month!